Welcome to Rajesh Electric Works, offer repairing and industrial electrical motors. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, incorporated in 1988 at Nashik. Our sound financial position and streamlined business practices make us unique in the industry. We are well known in the market for our high-end technology, in-depth industry experience, and variegated payment options. We offer an exclusive range of services, like servo motor repairing, re-metallization of bearing and copper re-insulation. Servo motor repairing and spindle motor repairs offered by us are extremely reliable. HT motors and re-metallization of bearing services are a class apart. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of LT motors, industrial coils, and magnetic chuck services. We also provide motor repairing, rewinding, and copper re-insulation services that are available at affordable prices. Our organization is instrumental in offering a wide gamut of repairing, rewinding, welding generators, power generators, and alternator services. To get more information, log on at www.rajeshelectricworks.in.